Okay.
Hey everybody, this is the Venturist 1200 model, the Venturist. I'm going to show you a couple of quick things here with it real quick. So what I'm going to use is the 8-ounce mixing bowl, and I'm going to use the adapter unit. This is a garlic cloves, pre-peeled garlic cloves. I'm going to put them in there like that. I'm going to show you how to blend those, how to chop them up real quick. So first thing I did was I put them in the bowl like this, and then I'm going to apply the adapter here. Now the thing that we found out yesterday is that working with the adapter, you have to get it just right. So when you put it on there and you get it on just right, it can't be too tight, can't be too loose. If it's either too tight or too loose, then the machine won't recognize it. What the machine is doing is actually it senses the presence of the container. It actually knows which container you're using. So I'm going to move it up here. So it went from the solid dash lines to where I can put in the timer for the amount of time that I want to put it on there. So what I've done is I put it up to about a 4 or 5, somewhere around 4 or 5 with the variable speed control. So at this point I can either push pulse button and hold it down and blend the garlic cloves, or I can set the timer using the timer button over here. So I'm actually pressing it 10 times. I'm going to give it about 15 times, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press the on-off switch, and then it's going to count down on the timer, and it's going to turn it off when it's done. So when I'm doing this, I can actually use the variable speed control. I can turn it up a little more, or I can turn it down a little less to make it blend perfectly. I put in a couple cloves, and it quickly blended those, so it turned itself off, quickly blended those cloves. And if I'd put more garlic in there, more cloves, I would have had a little bit more blending, but that's done a fine job of just completely mincing that garlic, so that's a good job.
Button.